What is compound interest?
Compound interest means earning interest not just on your initial savings, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. This creates a snowball effect where your money grows faster as time goes on. Compound interest is a powerful force for building retirement savings, helping your investments multiply even if you don't add more money each year.
How does compound interest work in retirement accounts?
In your retirement accounts, such as 401ks or IRAs, compound interest works by reinvesting both your contributions and the interest or returns they generate. Each year, the returns are added to your balance and start earning their own returns. Over decades, this repeated process greatly increases your savings, especially if your money remains invested and untouched.
Why does starting early make a big difference?
Starting early gives compound interest more time to work its magic. Even small investments made in your 20s or 30s can grow much larger than larger investments made later. That's because time magnifies the effect of compounding, letting your money multiply many times before retirement, often turning modest sums into significant nest eggs.
What if I can't invest a lot right now?
Even if you can only save a small amount, compound interest can still make a remarkable impact over time. Consistency matters more than size at first. Regular contributions, even if they're modest, can accumulate and benefit from compounding, boosting your retirement savings more than you might expect down the road.
How can I maximize compound interest for retirement?
To make the most of compound interest, start saving as early as possible and contribute regularly to your retirement accounts. Reinvest your earnings and try not to withdraw funds before retirement. The longer your money stays invested, the greater the compounding effect, helping you achieve a more secure financial future.